I can't stop looking at myself. Oh yeah, that doesn't happen very often. Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. Today we're going to be trying out a new product, and specifically Falscara from Kiss. I bought two styles, so I'm gonna try a different style on each eye. The lashes in the kit are the volumizing one, and the other ones are lifting wisps. So the whole kit, it was $18, 18 something, almost $19, and the lash separately was around $6 to $7. As a lot of you know, lashes are a huge part of my daily routine, so I was super intrigued to see how they look like in the eye. Alright guys, I brought you really up close so you actually can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to be doing the volumizing one on the right side, and the other ones in the wispies I'm gonna do on the left side to see if it makes any difference. The first thing is the bond. So from my understanding, we're gonna do it a coat all over the eyes. They recommend to do a little coat, like a little goes a long way, so we're gonna do that. Now I'm gonna do one eye at a time to avoid for the bond to dry out on me. So let's start with the volumizing one. So I'm gonna start with the first one. All right. All right, the first one is on. I'm pretty impressed how they feel like. It feels like you have mascara on. It doesn't really feel like you have, you know, sometimes like heavy lashes make your eye look tired and feel tired. I don't really have that feeling, so I'm pretty impressed on how they feel on the eyes. They look really nice and natural, to which I love. However, I wish they would be a little more curved, so it actually gives the volume like a bigger oomph, as this girl right here is all about that drama. However, they do look phenomenal, so I'm pretty impressed so far. Definitely like the look and feel of these ones, so let's see how the wispies look like. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna add the bond on the lashes.
I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress.
Oh wow, I don't feel it, and it could go all the way in. Now I do have little baby hairs in the inner corner, and I could grip on them to get I'm actually speechless. Normally when I wear lashes and I get them all the way in the inner corner, it bothers me to the core. These ones, I feel nothing. This feels so good. I actually think I like the wispies much better. I don't know if I just got used to and got a little more of like a grip on how to apply them, so I applied much better on the left eye, but I definitely love the look on this eye much better. It did take me a little bit to kind of get used to it and pop the inner corner one. However, all the other ones, it was really quick. It's definitely going to be a learning curve. Like with anything that you're gonna start, it's a new product, it's a new way. I can't stop looking at myself. Oh yeah, that doesn't happen very often. Let's see if I can put this one in the inner corner too. Now that I look closer, I really like the wispies much better. I don't know, they just look wow. They look natural, effortless, yet it's a perfect length and it's a perfect volume as well. So out of these two, I vote for the wispies. What about you guys? Which one do you like better? The volumizing or the wispies? Which one would you wear? As to take them off, they do recommend to have their lash remover. However, I was looking on Amazon and I couldn't find one that's available. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it with a makeup remover, and specifically I'm gonna use the makeup remover from BH cosmetics. So let's see if that is going to help take them off. And to take them off, I'm going to use my reusable makeup pads. I cut them on Amazon, and you can actually use them and wash them in your washing machine. I actually did wash them twice already, and as you can see, they look flawless. They come with this pouch. As you can see, all of these are dirty, so it's time for me to throw them in the washing machine. So all I do is just all the dirty one, I put them in this mesh that it comes with and throw them in the machine. If you want to get yourself some, I'll leave the link down below. Normally when I have lash glue, I am just pressing it on, let it sink a little bit, and then slightly pull them down. Oh, they came out right off. Take a look. Effortless. So there you go. You can use any makeup remover, guys, that will help take them off, and ta-da! I personally think that you should take them off every time before you go to bed. As you can see, the makeup remover would do the job, at least the BH Cosmetics one. You can store them as well. It comes like this. Take a look. This sums up today. Let me know what product should I try next in the comments down below. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, ladies!